Washing machine operation video. First step. Plug in the power cord. Connect the L line and N line. PE wire is grounded separately. Second step. Connect the trachea. Connect the air tube to the cylinder. Open the top cover of the machine. Open water tank. Add about 16 liters of pure water, distilled water, high purity water. Tighten the tank cap. Close the upper cover of the machine and tighten the 4-side screws. Unscrew the key switch. Unscrew the emergency stop button. Wait for the machine to boot. How to change language. After booting, click Settings in the upper right corner. As an language setting, select the language that needs to be changed. Click Return. Click Settings in the upper right corner. Click to enter cleaning mode. Change cleaning mode. Change cleaning level. Change cleaning power. Set cleaning width up to 150 mm. Click this switch to manually test whether there is gas. This switch is normally off. Open shutter. Hold the nozzle switch and press it twice within 1 second, and the cleaning operation can be performed without releasing it for the second time.